I've been talking to a few of my friends the last year or so, and they said they would like to see some videos to help them become better woodworkers and improve their skills. Although I've been doing this work for a while, I'm still learning myself. But I'll try and pass on some of what I know. To that end, I made a couple videos about making a wooden square. One is a simple one. We just take 4 layers of wood and glue them together. And the other one's more involved and takes more tools and skill. So the first would be a good beginner project. If you know your way around the shop a little bit, try the second one. The links to both of those are below. I'm going to make a few more videos and see what kind of interest there is. If you would like to see a particular subject addressed, let me know in the comments. If there's some way that I can make these videos better, easier to understand, or you follow better, then let me know in the comments there too. I'm not thin-skinned, so give it to me. Have a look, let me know what you think. And today is September 21st of 2021, so Great Western War will be starting soon. And I'll be there at the camp of the Barony of Gildenholt. Stop by and we can talk a bit. Until next time, thanks for watching.